Class நடக்கணும் geometry போறாங்க. Algebra 1. Algebra 1. Book இங்க எடுத்துன்னு போனியா? Algebra 1. ஆமா. Hi guys. Sorry guys, I'm opening up a little late. You're going to wait. Okay, I want the book.
You have class, I'm going up. Okay? Here.
Thanks, I really appreciate it. Hi guys. And how are you doing in school? Swarit, Ashwin, Vishnuram. I just need whoever is studying Algebra 1. Johan as well. Johan, for you it should be easy, right?
Yeah, it's really.
Okay, how about the others? Today I gave a test on rational exponents and radicals to the class that's doing Algebra 1. Can I assign the same thing to you too? It's like a test, 40 question test. Shall I assign the same thing to you? But if you're good, I don't want to take away your time too. Please understand. Swarit, what are you doing in school? Swarit,
Yeah, I forgot.
what is it?
I forgot what we were doing in school.
Okay. How
Oh, we're doing exponent laws.
Yeah. See, that's why I gave that. Okay. Okay. How about you, Ashwik and Ashwin? Ashwik, I know. Ashwin, how about you? Ashwin, okay, Ashwin, that's fine, Ashwin. You can get your computer proper and then you can talk. I'll wait for you. Vishnuram, what are you doing in school?
Laws of exponents.
Okay, so that's the same thing. Okay, that's good, guys. And coming to the last week homework, did you have any questions on that?
Yeah, I had 2 questions.
Sure. Let's go over that. Let me share as well. Yeah, ma. Oh, this is. Yes. 21.1 exercise. Do you have the numbers, page number, question number?
Yeah, I have a question.
Uh-huh.
It was 13.29 and 13.30.
13.29. Oh, okay. 13.29. Wait. Oh, wow. Show that if C is not equal to 0, then the sum of the reciprocals of the roots of the quadratic equation is minus B by C. Definitely we can go through. Okay, what other questions you had? What other questions? Anybody else has any other questions? Guys, yes, no, anything is okay with me. Nobody else, any questions? Can I move on with whatever we did? 21.1 we did, right? 21.1. Okay, arithmetic sequences we did. Okay, that was a small one though. But arithmetic series we have not done. It's nice to do arithmetic series, but how good are you all with geometric sequences and geometric mean? Have you covered that in school, guys?
No.
No.
None of you have covered. That's good to know. Hold on. Now, I would want to work out this and then bring it to your class. Let me work that out. 13.29 and 13.30. In the meantime, let me go ahead and get you the next exercise. Meaning, I don't want the class to wait while I work out and try. You see what I mean? So, I don't have the solutions right now with me. So let me see. I can work it out and put it on the board. Okay. So now let's see. How about this? I'm assuming we covered arithmetic sequences. So let's see. How about this? Mm-hmm. Let's see this one. Okay. What is the difference between? Did you all finish 21.1 exercise problems, guys?
I wasn't able to finish it.
Me neither.
But there are only 5 problems, right?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. Just make sure you finish, right? Otherwise, it's very hard as we move up. Mm. I would really want you to finish at least if only there were 5 questions for the homework, right? If we keep moving without knowing what we are doing, it's going to be hard. Okay, so how about this? 1, 4, 7, 10. Okay, in this is an arithmetic sequence, right? Because there is a common difference. Having said that, can you tell me what is f of 15? Please use explicit formula. Please do not count. Okay, you are deceiving yourself if you're going to do if you're going to count it. But don't count it. Go ahead with the explicit formula and let me know the answer. I want to do these 2 problems for you. Just a minute, guys. I need to bring a paper and a pen. I have a pencil. I just need a paper. Hold on. Yep. Hey, do you have the answers with you? Johan, for the problems?
I could get it, but I don't have it with me right now.
Oh, you can get it. I can also get it. It's like that for me too.
Miss Priya sent my answer.
Oh, okay. Okay. I think that's an easy question. 29 is easy. Okay, but you should know what is the sum of the roots, sum of the reciprocal of the roots of the quadratic equation. Reciprocal of the roots of the quadratic equations. The roots are. Oh, that should be a proof as well. Okay, that seems okay. Pratish, I'm checking your answer. Ashwin, that's right. Did you do the explicit formula? Can all of you give me the explicit rule as well for this function in terms of n? In terms of n, can you give me the explicit rule as well? Ritisha, I want f of 15, right, ma? Ashwin,
Oh, you want?
correct.
I gave you the rule. I didn't give you that.
Yeah, I just want the rule. Correct. Vidyut, perfectly nice. Vishnuram, perfectly nice. I would like to get the rule in terms of n. Johan, uh, Johan, but you can simplify that, right? What have you written? I don't get it, but still, can't you simplify what you have written? Swarit, that's right, but I would like to see your explicit rule. That is right, Maritisha. Ritisha, Ritisha, the first one was correct. The first one, what you sent to me, was correct. Why did you unsimplify it and send me the rule again?
Oh, because I thought you wanted the unsimplified version, not the simplified version.
Always see, even if you have that, I really see whether you simplified what you have given in second to one. You get it?
Oh, yeah. Should I send it again or
No,
you're
no,
good?
no, no, no. I'm very good as long as you understand.
I understood it, but like sometimes my teacher in school, she wanted like the
The full
second part
form? Oh,
unsimplified.
that doesn't make any sense to me. That's okay.
Oh no, she just wanted it like that to show that we knew the formula.
Okay, format. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, is that right? Who was that? Vishnuram, can I get the rule? Get the rule in terms of n?
Or or
Yeah. Hey, Swarit. I'm so confused now. Yeah, correct, Swarit. Ashwin, Ashwin, that can be simplified, right? An can be simplified, right, Ashwin?
I didn't know earlier if you wanted the nth term. So
Yeah, I really want to write it down. Wow. Vishnuram, good job. How many students participated? I'm sorry. Vidyut, how many students participated?
In algebra 1,
Yes.
like 200.
Oh, that's nice. It was at American Heritage, is it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, hearty congratulations. Good job. See, okay, a little bit more of work, you will get into the top 3. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
But very nicely done. What and all did you practice?
Um, I like did APS,
Which one?
like the book. I just read it like the chapter.
Start doing alchemist. Alchemist rigorously do. You'll be there on the top 3. You're already there. So just do the alchemist part. Whichever topics are harder, do every day 20 problems. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
next time you will be competing for geometry, right?
What is it, Priyanti?
Next year you are going to compete for geometry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we will get started around in March. I'm going to get started with the geometry book. So let's see. But I want you all to do alchemist in parallel. That only.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Go ahead.
It's not letting me type in the chat.
No problem, Anish. I'll send it to you. Uh-huh. Okay, now can you reply? Are you logged in from an iPad?
Yeah.
That's the problem. Actually, none of the computers have problem. Looks like it's an inherent problem. It's a bug with Zoom in iPads.
Uh,
Okay, but if you're able to answer to my chat, I'm fine, Anish. You're in.
Like I can't answer in chat.
No, no, no. I have sent you a message, right? Can you answer to that?
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah, all the others are able to in the other classes. Okay, so the okay to write the rule, right?
It's still not working.
Then you have to log in from a machine, please. 3n minus 2. I'll put it out for the parents as well. This is the explicit rule, and f of 15 was 43. Any questions? If you have any doubts, then I'll do. Otherwise, I'm going to move on. Can I move on? Okay. Now I really want to go ahead with geometric sequence and then geometric series. So I was working on with you guys. 21, right? I just said I'll move around. Johan, I think I have the answers. I will work it out for you. Okay, but remind me, don't just like that log off at the end. Okay. Now let's go ahead with this one. I really want you to, let's see. Okay, how about this, guys? It goes on till 100. So now, guys, this is no longer a sequence. What is the difference between a sequence and a series? What do you think is a sequence and a series? Meaning, this is an arithmetic series, whereas this one is a sequence. So what is the difference basically?
Is it that you're doing an operation in a series?
Exactly, you start adding the terms of an arithmetic sequence, then it would form an arithmetic series. Does that make sense?
Mhm.
Now, how are we going to calculate this? Do you think it's possible?
Yeah.
How?
100 plus 1 and then 99 plus 2.
Nice, but how will you find the number of terms, right?
You divide it by 2, 100.
You divide by 2 what? Number of
100. The total of terms.
I'm not getting it. I'm not getting it. What is that, Johan?
Would you divide the total number of terms by 2?
No, wait, don't you divide the largest number by the difference and then add 1? Because that's how I normally did it when I did the.
Here it's very easy to find the number of terms. Okay, here it's going to be 100, but it is not always the case, right? Meaning, suppose you are given the task of 4 plus, no, let's say 14 plus 18 plus 22 plus 26 plus 30, it goes on till I go to 34, 38, 40, 38, 42, 46. Let's say I ask you till 50, you have to calculate. How do you calculate the number of terms in here? It's hard, right? What is the number of terms? Any thoughts?
10?
First, can I divide by 2 the entire thing? Meaning, just the terms of the sequence. If I divide by 2, what happens? 7, 9. You get like this, right? That even is hard. Okay.
Would it be 10?
How do you know? How did you get that?
50 minus 14 and then 36 and then the difference between consecutive terms. It's like that for like
Uh-huh.
divide by 4 plus 1.
So, what did you do?
I did the largest term divide minus the smallest term over
Then 50
over the difference between consecutive terms.
Oh wow. Okay. So what did you get for that?
10 plus 1 after that.
I saw that. Just 1 second, guys. 1 second. see, okay, you need to calculate the number of terms. Okay, coming to the sum, right, 1 to 100, how are we going to calculate the sum of this arithmetic sequence? If you want to do 100 plus 1, 98 plus 2, 97 plus 3, right, we should know, right? So let's see this one. Let's first see this one and then I'll go ahead.
Auntie,
Yeah, ma?
isn't there like a formula for number of terms and it's like biggest number?
Yeah, I wanted to derive that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go ahead and try this sum. I'll do one by one. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus, if you're going to have it like that, let's say I call it as the sum. Okay, so till 100 you go. Okay, now I'm going to rewrite this in another order. Again, S is going to be 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 96 plus it goes on till 1. So when you think about it, 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101 and goes till 101. Do you see, guys? So when I add them together, it's 2S equal to. So what would be S? Who can help me find this out?
5,050.
Huh?
5,050.
That is true, but how did you get that?
101 times 10, 100 divided by 2.
Good job.
Can I play
101
lunch?
times how much? 101 times?
100.
Good.
100.
101 times 100 divided by 2. So basically, if you have a sum of an arithmetic series like this, right? Sum of the first n numbers, right? So what you can, how can you write the generic formula? Suppose sum of the first 10 consecutive natural numbers, if they ask you n times n plus 1 by 2, this is a formula that can be easily derived and you have to remember, okay? Earlier in honors pre-calc, we used to bring this up and derive in class where kids found it very difficult to understand at that level. You are being introduced in algebra 1. So, but now that everybody has gone to AP pre-calc, it's completely gone. We don't even talk about these sequences or series there, but in some schools they still do. So instead of studying there, I want you to really understand how to find the sum of first n arithmetic numbers or counting numbers. If they ask you, you can derive this formula very easily, n times n plus 1 by 2. Any questions here? So this is the way to find the sum of n counting numbers. Now coming to this, what Vidyut said was absolutely great. What was that, Vidyut, you said? Ending number minus what did you
Starting
say?
number.
Divide by
The difference between
very
consecutive.
nice common difference, right? That's what you did, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, good. That's nice way. Meaning, let's say the starting number is a1, ending number is an. Can I write it in a way as he said, an minus a1 divide by the common difference. That means 50 minus 14 is 36 divided by the common difference. There are 9. So you see, it's very easy to make mistakes in this, but then after that, what do you do with youth?
Add 1.
Add 1. Yes. So basically, ending number minus the starting number divide by the common difference. Finally you have to remember to add that 1 extra. So that is also a general formula that we use for competition math, but you see the pattern. This is how it's derived for any arithmetic sequence where the terms of the sequence differ by a common difference. You can always go to the ending number, subtract the starting number, divide by the common difference and then add the 1 to it. Makes sense, guys? Okay, so these are things that you learn extra here and it is very useful, guys, at times. Shall I move on? How did I get that? How did I get this formula? I wanted to show you that as well. Okay, let me clear this out. I want to show you how I got. You all know an. What is this? Who can tell me what is this? What is this, guys? This we learned.
The explicit formula.
Explicit formula. You learned this. This is exactly telling what I told you now. So I want to find out the number of terms in the sequence, right? So how do you find it? This you know how to derive. We already talked about it. So subtract a1 on both sides, an minus a1, that is the difference between the first and the last terms, right? Equal to n minus 1 times d. Divide by d, divide by d. It's just the same thing that we are revising. So that's equal to n minus 1. Now add 1 to both sides. See, an minus a1 divided by 2 plus 1 will be equal to the number of terms. Make sense, guys? That's all. Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, from this formula, I really want to do one more thing. Let's see. Okay, so did you all get how to find the number of terms or in an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic series? If you think about it, if you're given the sum, you can literally find the number of terms using this formula. This is very, very, very useful in so many scenarios, finding the number of terms. Okay, now let's see this one. Okay, let's see this one. How about this? Okay, on another note, I wanted to give you this as well. Okay. When you think about sum of an arithmetic series, right? Arithmetic series you're not discussing at school. Okay. Sum of an arithmetic series, right? How do you write out the sum of the arithmetic series? First term plus last term is the average. Last term divide by 2 times the number of terms. Am I with you? How did I get this? We just said that s is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till 100. We just said that. Rewrite this as 100 plus 99 plus 98 till 1. Now we also said that 2s is equal to 100 times 101. S will be equal to 100 times 101 divided by 2. We said that. We just now discussed that. Now when you think about this arithmetic series, right, what is this? 1 plus 100 divided by 2. That 1 plus 100 divided by 2. The first term plus the last term divided by 2 times the number of terms. That's exactly this formula. Am I making sense? You should know how every formula is derived as well. In most cases, we are trying to understand, but there are cases where we don't discuss as well. But when you think about the sum of an arithmetic series, it's always the number of terms times first term plus last term divided by 2. Any questions? Any questions? Okay. Please note down, guys. Okay, we are going to solve problems in this as well. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one quick. How about this? You're going to do it by yourself. 7 by 6 plus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2 plus and so on till 11. Can we find that out? What is the sum of this arithmetic series?
Auntie,
Yeah,
isn't this from the AOPS book?
this is from the AOPS book, correct? Why?
Because I literally saw the problem
You
yesterday.
solved it, then solve it now.
I gave the answer.
You gave the answer, huh? That's good. If you're able to reproduce, that's good. I don't know, I didn't check the answer for that matter. See. And let me finish this and ask more questions. Oh yeah, good job, Vidyut. You remember that. I'm proud. You're able to reproduce it. So you went through the entire book?
No, like just the topics that was like weird for me.
Nice. Exponential functions have you learned?
I was reading it, like, but usually the questions don't come on exponential functions.
Oh, so you so you didn't go through that?
Yeah, like it just never comes, and I was like, it was like end of night. That's why.
I see. But yeah, sequences and series is a very important critical area of competitive math. True, 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 true. And telescoping is very important too. Did you do that?
Oh no.
Oh, also do Simon's favorite factoring trick. I skipped that.
Okay.
There is a topic in the book on quadratic factoring which we already did. Simon's favorite factoring trick. It's so important for a competitive math.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay.
there'll be so many questions that come using Simon's favorite factoring trick.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. And I'll keep you posted as and when we come across more.
Okay.
Um, yeah, I really want, yeah, this one I want you to derive the formula. I don't know if you can derive though. Yeah, you can derive this. Let's see. Are you done? You can use the same. Did you use the formula, Vidyut?
Yeah, I'm gonna
First
just.
term,
Oh,
last term, divide by 2 times the number of terms, right? How did you find
yeah.
the number of terms? As you said, an minus a1 divide by the common difference, right? So pretty
Mhm.
easy. This is what is this? This is the number of terms, guys. So plug that into this first term plus last term divide by 2 times n. So you get the sum of this arithmetic series. Are you all stuck still, or did you get it? In an arithmetic series, the basic things that you need to know is how to find the number of numbers. Second thing you need to know is how to find the sum of the arithmetic series. That's all we have covered. And we also covered how to find the sum of the first n counting numbers. What is that, Vidyut? Oh, you're giving me the formula
Yeah.
for this one?
Mm-hmm.
But oh, just with the n, no? Okay. Are you all stuck? Please let me know, guys. I'll work it out. If you're still working, I'm fine. Ritisha, you tell me, ma. Are you doing? Or are you still stuck?
Is that my answer?
I did it. I sent you my answer.
Oh,
Look, could you go over it once? Because,
yeah,
like,
absolutely.
it was a bit confusing.
Ritisha, that's right.
Oh,
Shyam, that's right. Johan, that's right.
could you still go over it?
Yeah, I will definitely go over it. Okay. So here we go. Um, okay. Vishnuram, are you doing? Anish, are you doing? Ashwin, how about you?
I already said my answer. I
Ashwin,
got
I
like
hope
the
you're.
answer. I got the answer, but I don't understand like
Oh,
what you mean by the
I'll help you.
algorithm.
Yeah, Vishnuram, that's right. Ashwin, how did your music competitions go? Went well?
Like I'll send you the answer.
I'm not able to hear you, Ashwin. Yeah, I saw. I am seeing Anish. Anish. Yeah, Anish. Not really Anish. Let me go over it, okay? So here, how to find out the number of terms, guys? The last term, first term. I have both, okay? I need to subtract both. 11 minus 7 by 6 divide by, I don't know what is the common difference. How to find out the common difference? The common difference is always a successive term minus the previous term. So I don't know D. So first I'll start from here. D will be equal to, a successive term means 4 by 3 minus 11 by 6. It's just fraction subtraction, right? So multiply by 2, multiply by 2. So what do I get? 8 minus 11 by 6 is minus 2 by 8. I'm sorry, 3 by 6, which is minus 1 by 2. Am I making sense?
Priya, isn't it?
It's
7. It's not 11. It's 7.
seven by six.
instead of negative 11 by 6, isn't it negative 7 by 6?
Second.
Mm.
Oh, sorry, I just copied it incorrectly. Thank you.
So it'd be
Yes,
1 by
1 by
6.
6. Thank you, Johan. Correct. So that's 1 by 6. Now I'm going to substitute it in here. Where is that D? Just to plug this into this D, 1 by 6. The top is an, nth term minus the first term. Now how to do this 11 minus 7 by 6, 11 by 1, right? So make everything the denominator equal to 6. So 66 minus 7 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. Now what happens? 6 and 6 will get cancelled. 66 minus 7 is what is it? 59. I'm getting 59. Okay, I'm getting this 59. So that is the number of terms. Okay. Now
Don't
first,
you have to add 1?
yeah, see, I forgot. Every time I forget this. Yes, it should be 60, right? Number of terms should be 60 because you add that 1 here. Because number of, see, I forgot to write it here. I always forget. So that 1 you need to add to get the number of terms, and it is usually very, very, very easy to forget this 1. Okay. So a number of terms will be 60 in that case. I substituted that here. First term plus last term is 7 by 6 plus, oh, 7 by 6 plus 11 divide by 2 times 60, guys. So this will be 30. 66 plus 7 is what, guys? 66 plus
73.
7 is 70.
3.
3 by 6 times 30 is what I get, 5. Now 15, 1, 365 is the sum of the arithmetic series. Swarit, did you follow or got stuck?
I got stuck.
Where?
Just like how to because I never like learned how to do arithmetic series.
Series, okay.
So
No,
I don't know,
can I
like,
help you to make it clear now?
huh?
Shall I redo? Do you want me to redo?
No, I understand it.
Okay, so
To
basically,
to
first you
extent.
find out what is the common difference. See, the problem with this series is it's so much in fraction that you need to find everything. Find the common difference first, and then find the number of terms. How do you find the number of terms? An, the last term minus the first term, divide by the common difference plus 1. So that got me 60 terms. So I plugged in that 60 terms. Sum of the arithmetic series is first term plus last term divided by 2 times the number of terms. What is the first term? First term is this, last term is this. So plugging in 7 by 6 plus 11 by 2 times 60 gave me 365. Any questions?
What would A of N be again? It would be 11,
Nth term, yeah.
and then A of 1 would be
Yep,
okay.
7 by 6. Got it? Okay, I'll give you one more, then we'll move on. You don't want problem from the book, I'm okay, but yeah, I need to get. Mm, wait, because if I give from the book, looks like Vidyut has already done, and I don't want any problem like that. I'm going to give you problems that are not in the book. Okay, how about this, guys? I really want you to try this one. Oh, this is nice one. Sum of first positive n integers is 2016. Oh, wow. I don't know. Okay, how about this? Try this one. Let's see. It might be a little difficult initially, guys, but we should be able to. Let's see. How about this? An arithmetic sequence has first term a1 equal to 7 and common difference is d. a20 is 64. Find the common difference in a100. Will you be able to do this? Try. If you want any clues, let me know as well. See, they have given you the first term. They have given you the 20th term. Okay. Between first term and 20th term, how many common differences do you expect? See, first term was added the common difference. Add common plus d plus d plus d plus d plus d till 20, right? But you should also think about how many common differences were there. Then use explicit formula to find the 100th term. Not a hard one, but I mean,
Wait, so we use recursive formula?
what?
Would we use recursive formula?
Could I use it? Yeah, don't use it. Please, no. Don't you? Meaning, yeah, you can get the answer now, but that's not the intent.
Okay.
Okay, because you're asked for, you cannot, anyway, you cannot use recursive formula to find
Yeah.
100th term. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Like to find D, how would
to find
it
D.
would
Okay, see here. Meaning, you need to see
would
A1
we
is 7. Okay,
yeah.
A20 is 64. Okay, okay, let me write it here. Okay,
Randy,
Yama,
I sent my answer.
I will check. How many D's are here? Think
Isn't
about
it
that, Swarit.
64?
Between
Okay.
A1 and A20, how many hops, how many frog jumps are there?
Okay.
Anish, did you understand the previous problem? Because your answer was incorrect, right, Anish?
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. What is 304? Good job, Johan. I'm just stumped with your answers on the 100th term, Johan and Vidyut. I don't know who's correct. I have to check. I don't have the answer on that one. I can quickly check. Wait. One of you definitely got it wrong. Ashwik. Ayyo. See, each of you are giving one answer. Ashwik is giving one answer. Johan is giving me one answer. And Vidyut is giving me one answer. I don't know whom to believe now.
I sent my answer to Miss Priya.
Shyam, D is not 2.85. Who said it's... What did you do, Shyam? I know what you
Oh,
did.
I know what he did. I did the same mistake
Yeah.
earlier.
So,
I'll check.
what did you do? I know what you did as well. I think I know. What did you do? Did you divide by 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, that's the catch here.
Miss Priya, what about my answer?
I'll check each of... yeah, I'm checking because it's new. Oh my god, you've given the fourth different answer. Wow. 4 people, 4 different answers for the 100th term. It's interesting.
I gave
Can I
her.
explain my answer?
Don't explain your answer 1 minute, Ashwik.
Uh,
Oh yeah, 2 of you got the same answer. I want to see who's 2. Vishnu Ram and... Yeah, Vishnu Ram and Johan have the same answer. Vishnu Ram and Johan have the same answer and Ashwik as well. So that should be the answer. Ashwik, Vishnu Ram and Johan, you have it right, I think. Vidyut, what did you get? Vidyut and Ritisha, there is some problem. Yes, I did see. I do see that my answer also equals that. You want to retry? Just try. Yeah, Anish, you got it, Anish. Good job. Yes, Swarit, you got it. It's just plugging in, guys. Let's see this one. There are 19 terms, right? So 64 minus 7, that difference, right, has 19 common differences in it, right? So this is 57 by 19 is a 3, right? So the single common difference here is a 3. That we got it. Now I have to find of 100 means A1 plus n minus 1 times d. N is 100, so 99 times d plus the first term. What is that? 9 3s are 27, 2 9 3s are 27, 28, 29, plus 7 is a 304. Any questions, guys?
No.
What mistake was it, man? I'm so curious to know whoever...
No, I did -4 instead of +4. Yeah, I got the right answer now. I sent it
What
again.
did you do?
I did it a different way.
What was
I
it?
see.
Yeah, I got the question.
So I did 64 minus 7, and then I did like that divided by 19, so I got 3.
3,
And then I did 100 minus 20, which is like 80. So then I did 80 times 3, which is 240, and then I added that with 64.
100 minus
20, because like it's saying the difference between A20 to A100.
100 minus 20, and then what did you divide with?
I I didn't. I mean, like, so I did 100 minus 20, and then I got 80. So then I multiplied that by 3 because D equals to 3, and
And then
then
added with the
I
64.
yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, nice. Yeah, see, that's the conceptual understanding. It would be nice if you're able to catch. Meaning, given anything, right? If you understand arithmetic sequence, right, you can manipulate any numbers and get whatever you need.
Yeah.
Ashwin, where are we, ma? Did you get it?
Yeah, I was almost done, but then you started explaining.
But you got the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, and how did your music competitions go? I didn't hear you at all with your answer.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah.
It went well? Okay, good. Okay, how about this? Okay, I don't want to keep whirling in this, but let's see. Yeah, this is a good one actually. I want you to do, but at the same time, I want to cover geometric sequences. I cannot let you go without covering geometric sequences at all. We are moving very slowly. So, let's do the geometric sequences now. And Vidyut, go through telescoping for sure. Meaning, I'll try to go through this in the class as well next week. But telescoping is super concept that's so useful for competitions.
Okay, Brianti.
Telescoping is at the end of this unit. If you have any questions, please anytime message me. Okay, here. How about this? Coming to geometric sequence. Okay, I just don't want this problem on the board. And Johan, don't forget, we are going to work on that 2 problems at the end. Okay, here. What is the difference between arithmetic and geometric sequences? So here we go. Let's say term, value, and the term number. Okay, so you try to figure out what is the difference. Anish, you tell me, Anish, what is the difference? This I'm saying it's a geometric sequence.
So I feel like every single time, it's like every single time the term is +1, the term's value adds by 2, or like, no, like, yeah, like squares. Multiplies by 2, multiplies by 2.
Yes, multiplies by 2.
That's what I wanted to say. I just didn't want to say it.
So if it is multiplies by 2, so basically, like just like an arithmetic sequence where you did successive term, next term minus the previous term you did to find the common difference. Here, what do? You call this as common ratio. Okay, and common ratio is defined by the successive term by previous term. Any questions, guys? Please don't interchange this. Previous term by successive term means the entire meaning is broken. It's successive term by the previous term. Hey Johan, I'm so sorry. I just cut off your meaning. I just disconnected with your mom's call. Please tell her that whenever she's free, I'll call her back. Something else came up and I was dragged into a meeting.
Okay.
Okay, just inform her after the class, and after that I went to a meeting, I forgot about it, I'll call her back. Okay, successive term by the previous term is common ratio. Okay, now let's go ahead and try this one. Okay, if this is the case, guys, you're going to derive the formula this time. What will be the nth term of a geometric sequence? I showed you how we arrived at arithmetic sequence formula last week. Okay, now build up the recursive formula by yourself. What will you write for the recursive formula of a geometric sequence? I'll help you though. Let's say f of n will be equal to f of n minus 1, then what? I am trying to get f of 4 from f of 3. What should I do? I am trying to write, how will you write f of 4? I have f of 3. What will I do in this sequence?
Multiplied by the first term.
Multiply by what?
By 2.
What is that called?
First,
The difference.
Huh?
the common ratio.
Common ratio. You got it?
Mm.
D was the common difference, R is the common ratio. Now, let's say I want the fifth term. It's exactly the same as the arithmetic. I want the fifth term. I have the first term this time. What do I do to get my fifth term? I go with the first term and then what do I do? I keep on
So would you like multiply it by the
multiply by how many common ratios?
4?
4. So can I write multiply by common ratio power what? 5 minus 1?
Yeah.
So it's n minus 1.
Good. So how will I derive the explicit formula here?
Isn't it the like the
A,
explicit
Yeah, Swarit, go ahead.
form?
Huh?
Isn't it
Go
like
ahead.
A of n
Yeah, let's.
equals what?
Go ahead.
A of n equals A of 1, the
Good.
first one, times R to the power of n minus 1.
Wonderful. You all got your own formula. See, you will not forget it now. Okay, but if you start memorizing the formulas, you'll forget. So basically, the first term times the common ratio power n minus 1. There, it was f of 1. It was all addition, right? So you added how many common differences? N minus 1 common differences. Here, it's all common ratios. So you times common ratio power n minus 1. Makes sense? Sham, are you with me?
Yeah.
You're going to learn it several years later, I tell you. Even there they cover, but a little later. But you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. Can we go ahead and solve problems?
yeah.
Okay, but before we go ahead and solve problems, right, I forgot to give you one important thing. 1 is 1. 1 plus 3. What I'm doing, what formula I'm trying to derive. 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 3, if I don't tell, I'll feel very bad about the after the class. So let me go ahead and finish this. 16. This is a very interesting thing. How about this? What I'm doing and what does it give me? 10, 20, 25. So
44.
something is going on here. What is this?
Does it make a quadratic sequence?
Uh,
Wait, they're all squares. They're all squares.
Wait, Priyanti, I know
Hmm.
the number of odd terms squared is equal to
What am I trying to do here?
adding the odd
So
terms.
what is that?
The number of terms squared.
Sum of n odd terms. N odd terms. 1 or n odd numbers, I'll say. Sum of first n odd numbers. First n odd numbers. What is the general formula? 1 is 1. 1 plus 3 has 2 odd numbers 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 has 3 odd numbers 9.
Oh, number of odd numbers squared.
Good. That's equal to n squared. Makes sense, guys? It's a nice formula that you should. It's nice to know, right? If somebody asks, hey, what is the sum of 1 to 201? You see, only the odd numbers. It's 201 squared. Okay. Yeah, this one I wanted to show you. This is a part of arithmetic series. Why it's an arithmetic series? There is a common difference. Do you see the common difference of 2? It's very useful, Ashwik, for your competitions and stuff. Sum of n first n odd numbers is always given by, or sometimes you may be asked like this: 101 plus 103 plus 105 plus 107 till, if I want to know what is the sum till 307, how would you use this formula for this? Yeah, how will you use this formula that you derived to calculate this? Think about it, guys. It's not hard. You know the formula only for first and odd numbers. So you know clearly how to do 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 till 307, you know. Right? But I don't want the full thing. I want it from 101. What do I do?
Would you do 307 squared plus 100?
307 square, I find it. Okay, great. After that?
Would you
I
Mine
don't
divide
want
by
it.
100?
minus all the odd terms, which are no
Yeah, minus the odd term, still what?
101.
Till 101?
Like 199, 99.
Till
99.
99. I don't want it. Remove it. So that should be? That should be what? 1 to 99. What is the...
99 squared?
99 squared.
Okay, now, how will you do this? I really want you guys to ramp up and understand quick strategies. Here, what will you do?
Different squares.
Yes, so what will you do? It's a difference of squares, right? A square minus b square. What is the formula? A plus
A
b,
plus B times A
A
minus B.
minus b. Even in your sleep, you should be able to say that a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b the whole square will be equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. Did we discuss this earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, these three things should be in your brain. Even if I come and wake you up from your sleep, you should be able to say these three. Okay, that's expected out of you, particularly if you do this book. Okay, wherever you go. So see here, this is of the format a square minus b square. So the easiest way is 307 plus 99, 307 minus 99. If you do this, it will be 208 times 307, 407, but 406. Now you can multiply these two and answer. See how easy it is. Again, there is a tactics to do this. I don't want to go to that depth. You can just multiply.
84,448.
You multiplied it?
Yeah.
Do you know, are you doing the vertical and crossways?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I just saw it in a video.
Oh, nice. So you're doing the vertical and crossways?
Yeah.
Yeah, but the other way, there is one another way to do this. See, 24 times 27. How to do it quickly? No. 24 times 26, you can do it very quickly. They are equidistant to 25, right? 25 square minus 1. Like that, the same logic you can apply here. Meaning, a square minus b square, right? It's the same as difference of square is just a treasure. 24 times 26, if you want to calculate it quickly, you can find out a number that's equidistant from both, 25, right? Then you square it, okay? Then you square this, you get a 625 minus 1 is your answer. How? This you squared 625, fine. And after that, what was that distance? 1, right? That distance square you're going to subtract. What logic is this to find out? Let me go and show you this. 24 times 26 quickly. If map geek wants to do it quickly, that is the case, then go to 25, which is equidistant to both the numbers. Now when you think about it, just square this 625. It really works. There is why the strategy works. It's also difference of squares. 625 minus the square of this distance 1. So answer is 624. But why would it work? Think about it. This is a square minus b square can be written as 25 minus 1, 25 plus 1, right guys? A plus b, a minus b, which is 24 times 26. Makes sense?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
I have to go.
Yeah, you can. Go ahead. So did
Okay.
you all get this, guys? Similarly, how can you do, let's say 20 times 30? Quick, 20 times 30 is very easy. So how about 25 times 45? 35 square minus 100. You all got it? 35 is equidistant. 10 is the distance. 35 square is 1225 minus 100, 1125. Make sense, guys? These are
Oh,
tricks. Yeah,
I
you
have
can.
a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
What if it's like, would you do the vertical method if you did like if there was like 24 times 27?
24 times 27. There is no common number. Huh?
Yeah, so what would you do for that?
Oh yeah, for this one you can't. You have to do vertical and crosswise. Vertical and crosswise says what will you do? 7 fours are 28. 2 carry. You multiply these to 14. And then what is this? 8. 14 plus 8 plus 2 is? 14 plus 8 plus 2 is 24, right? 2. And then vertical again. 2 to the 4, 5, 6. 640. Like this.
Yeah.
Meaning If you want me to go over again, 24 times 26 you asked. Now what did you ask?
27,
Yeah,
24.
it's not equidistant, right? Vertical first. Vertical means
Mm.
I'm
Oh,
supposed
what
to
if
28, put a 2 here. Then crosswise. 8 plus 14 is what?
The 22.
8 plus 2 plus 14 is 24.
Yeah.
Then carry over the 2, again vertical. Vertical, crosswise, vertical. 2 times 2, 4 plus 2 is 6. This is
what if instead made the 27 and 26 and then get 624 and then add 24?
I really like that. It's very smart. Good job. You're playing with numbers, which is good. Okay, now guys, what we discussed was geometric sequence, but we didn't do much in it. I can give you some questions on the geometric sequences. So when you think about any geometric sequence, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. I really want you to show graphing it. Okay, with that we'll conclude. Now, if I want to graph this, right, go back. 0 means what? Divide by 2, 1. Minus 1 means what? What is the term? If it is the minus 1 term, what is that?
-2.
No. Please follow the same thing.
1/2,
1/2. How?
because 2 to the power of
You go
negative
back,
1.
divide by 2. Forward you go, then multiply by 2. So your common ratio is 2, but you go back, you divide by 2. Minus 2 is 1 by 4, right? So let me plot
Andy,
this. Uh-huh.
could it also be like 2 to the power of negative 1 and then 2 to the power of negative 2, like
Yes,
that?
you can have. Yes, absolutely. 2 to the power, that is correct actually. 2 to the power of negative 1, 2 to the power of negative 2. Yes. 1, and then you have a 2 here. What is that? 1 is a 2, then 2 is a 1 is a 2, 2 ஒரு நிமிஷமா வந்துட்டேன்.
I did it.
What you did?
I did all the revisions. I finished.
2 is a 4, 3 is a 6. What
It's
is happening, guys? What is this?
exponential.
Yeah, see, so arithmetic sequences, when I graph, what do you get?
Exponential.
Arithmetic sequences, when I graph, what do you get?
Your function.
Hey, I am a little
Exponential functions? I don't know.
arithmetic sequences.
Oh, arithmetic sequence.
I really want you to
then-
see this, please. Yeah, I can't let you go.
Linear?
Arithmetic sequences. This is an arithmetic sequence, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence, if I graph, what do I get? I'm asking.
Line.
Linear or like aligned.
A linear.
I minus 2 means what happens? Minus 2 means minus 1. Go ahead.
A linear?
A linear graph. So arithmetic sequences, when I graph them, they map to a line. Geometric sequences, when I graph them, they map to what is called exponential functions. That is why you learn all these. You learn linear functions all year long. That's what you are learning, arithmetic sequences. Now we are pitching into geometric sequences. When I plot them, right, linear graph, where slope is more, a line or exponential function?
Exponential.
Yeah, exponentially increasing means suddenly it goes a steep rise. So exponential function has a stronger slope. However, when you think about it, towards the negative end, meaning when the x value decreases, right, this exponential function has a special property where it always tries to come lower and lower. 1 by 8, 1 by 16. When you think about what will happen if you go down, 1 by 8, 1 by 16, 1 by 32, at some point it becomes 1 by 1024, 1 by, it goes small and small and small, but it never touches 0. Do you see? It goes small and small. It will try to merge with x-axis. It will never merge with x-axis. So that sort of a line with which an exponential function tries to merge, right, is called an asymptote. So what is the asymptote of this exponential function? Which line? What is the line equation? Asymptote means the line with which it is trying to merge. So what is the equation of that line with which it's trying to merge?
Y is equal to 0.
Y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is an asymptote for this function. What is this function? It's 2 power of n. When you think about it, see, exponential, x is your exponent. The input becomes your exponent in exponential functions. So this general formula, general rule for this function is 2 power of n. 2 power of 1, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 2, 2 power of 3, 2 power of 4. So for this exponential function, the asymptote is y equal to 0, and it is, see, 2 is being multiplied with 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It is an exponentially increasing function. Any questions? We'll deal with it next week. I took a lot of your time, I know. Okay, I'll solve
Bye.
those two problems with Johan. Yes, bye, Ma.
Bye, Pranti.
Bye.
Bye.
Johan, can I go through that? I did the answer, but I don't have the solutions in here, but I want to let you know what I had, and then we'll see. X square plus 3x plus 9 equal to 0 is the same roots as A. How did you solve, Amma, this one?
I didn't really understand how to begin with it.
Ah, okay. Okay. One, I'm glad you brought it up, Johan, okay? See, the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation, you know, sum of the roots of a quadratic equation, let's say R and S were the roots we were trying to solve, right? So sum of the roots is minus B by A, product of the roots is C by A. This I didn't say it in class because see, you use it only in competitions, so this is something I never told in class as well. For that matter, you can derive this. How do you derive this? I'll let you know. This is why I thought I'll deal with it at the end. Ax square plus bx plus c is your quadratic equation, right? R and S are the roots, correct? When you think R and S are the roots, you can substitute R instead of X and will expect what? If you substitute R for X, what will you expect? What will you expect? A r square plus b r square plus c will be equal to 0, correct?
Yeah.
Now, okay, I'll get to this now, but let's take this now. I'll try to verify this in a moment or so. Now, sum of the roots will be minus b by a, product of the roots will be c by a. Will you be able to tackle this with that? They have the same roots, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what is the roots of this? How did you find it? R bar S will be equal to what? What are the roots? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac, correct? Right by 2 minus 3 plus or minus 9 is 36 minus 9 is what? 20, 27, 27, right? Divide by 2 minus 3 plus or minus root 27I by 2, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Now, do you know how to find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots?
Yeah.
So minus b by a will be r plus s. You can add both minus 3 plus root 27I divide by 2 plus minus 3 minus root 27I divide by 2, correct? So
Yeah.
that minus 6 by 2, or I can call it as minus 3. So that will be equal to r plus s. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Now, what is the product of the roots? I'm going to show you. Can I do it here if you don't mind? Minus 3 plus root 27I divided by 2 times minus 3 minus root 27I by 2. But do you see there is one, again the difference of squares coming in the picture? A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square becomes 27I square, which is plus 27 by 4. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now 27 plus 9 is 36 by 4, which is a 9, correct?
Uh-huh.
Now RS is equal to a 9, correct?
Wait, Miss Priya,
Yeah.
for the one on the top, because it's the square root of 27i and I square is -1, would it be minus 27?
A plus B, let's see, A plus B, A minus B returns to A square minus B square, right?
Yeah.
So A square is correct, right? B square is 27I by 27I. Let's consider only root 27I. Root 27I, the whole square is what we are seeing, right?
Mhm.
Now minus root 20, let's say root 27 becomes 27, I square becomes minus 1, correct?
Mhm.
That's why I wrote it down as plus 27. Does
Okay.
it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have rs equal to 9, r plus s equal to minus 3, correct?
Mhm.
What are we trying to do if they have the same roots? Oh, if they have the same roots. Oh, you have it, right? See, you have it, right? Oh, that's all. Then this problem is very easy. Till this only I solved and said I'll solve with you. Now, Seema, the 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 sum of this roots is minus b by 2a. This is minus b by 2a. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Whereas c by here, c by a is the product of the roots, right?
Uh-huh.
C by A. C is already 1, right? So can I say A is equal to 1 by 9?
Uh-huh.
Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. C equal to 1 by 9 na? Then I need to substitute minus B by 2 by 9. Does it make sense? Will be equal to a minus 3. Make
Okay.
sense?
Yeah.
Then what is B? Wait. Minus B will be equal to 2 by 9 times minus 3. So that will be 2 by 3. Do you get it?
Yeah.
But as a homework, please check once with your solution. Book
Okay.
did not check.
Uh-huh.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Similarly, the other one I can give you clues as well. Hold on. Show that if C, okay, C is not equal to 0, the sum of the reciprocal of the roots of the quadra, okay, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The sum of the reciprocals of the roots. Oh, okay. C is not equal to 0. The sum of the, what are the roots of this equation? Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right?
Mhm.
Sum of the reciprocal of the roots they are asking. So 2a by minus b plus b, let's try it out. It's not a hard one. Okay, sum of the reciprocal of the roots, right? Minus b plus, this is minus b square minus 4ac, correct?
Uh-huh.
So how do you add them? That's the biggest point, right? When you see again, a plus b, a minus b. Do you see it?
Yeah.
This is a plus b, a minus b. This such good applications are there. So you need to a square minus b square, right? So b square minus b square minus 4ac. Correct, Johan? Denominator.
Mhm.
And then numerator becomes what? 4a. No, numerator is messy. Okay, numerator is really messy. So minus 2ab minus 2a times b square minus 4ac, like this. And then you have minus 2ab plus 2a times b square minus 4ac. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
Then these both get cancelled. Do you see?
Uh-huh.
So what you end up with? Minus 4ab by minus and minus become plus 4ac, right?
Huh?
So that what happens? See, minus b by c. I think that's what they wanted to us to prove. Yes,
Okay.
that's what they wanted us to prove. You got it?
Yeah.
So that's what they said. Sum of the find the roots, find the reciprocals, add them up. They just want you to be good with the multiplication, a plus b, a minus b things. You got it?
Yeah.
They
Okay.
wanted you to prove that the sum of the reciprocal of the roots is minus b by c.
Mhm.
Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a stretch, but it's good that you tried. Okay, this one is correct. The other one you can check the answer as soon as you go home.
Okay.
Okay, any other questions?
No.
But you got it really?
Yeah.
Okay, good, ma. Good. Any other questions? Bring like this.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I will try to discuss the sum of the roots, product of the roots in class next week.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. See you. Bye.
Bye.